Hello everybody, welcome to another Saga Saturday. This one is Saga number 0029. We just finished an Instagram giveaway contest. We've never had a giveaway contest before. It was so much fun. We had more engagement and interaction and comments than ever before. I think there were over 500 comments. So we did a caption contest. I put a couple pictures and said, you know, caption with the most likes wins. There were some amazing captions. It was super fun. It was hilarious. Some really creative people out there. But the goal was to give away the first Saga pen of the year. Now, this pen's been in development for a year and a half now. A few months into the project, we made about 30 of them, brought them to Blade Show 2018, which was a year ago now. Sold them at Blade Show. It was great. The whole past year, we haven't sold any. This pen commemorates the launch of that. So it's super exciting because, as you've seen from the previous few Saga Saturday videos, like, we're making parts, it's coming together, it's going good. We're now at the point where we can start to sell pens, and this will become a staple product for us. Very exciting. So the grand winner of this was T_Baker on Instagram. The caption was, let's see if I can remember this right, a visual representation of how close to broke I will be after finding Grimsmo. Or how close to broke I am after finding Grimsmo. And that had 120 some likes, which was phenomenal. So for Mr. T. Baker, not only are you getting a prototype DLC coated pen that we want to do more DLC coating, but there's always little issues and learning processes with the DLC company that does the coating for us. So as we go along, we're going to get better and better. It has a nickel aluminum bronze slider, a super polished button, and it comes with a black and a blue ink. Now this also, he also gets our very first prototype wooden case. We're not even going to keep the first prototype. We're going to give it to this guy. So these are the cases that we're going to be doing. I think we have a lot more footage and videos coming out that we've been filming over the past 6 months about these. But it's a sweet wooden case. It's got magnets built inside of it. The pen sits inside a little bit like that. Space for an extra refill. And beauty. Being a prototype, it's tighter than it should be. The new ones are not that tight. Also, you're getting the prototype box. This is the cardboard box. Aaron and I have been working on this for a very long time. And this is the actual one that the printing company brought to us and we signed off on and said, yes, let's go ahead, let's make more. So that's my signature, very scribbly signature of okaying the design for the box. And then we had everybody else, including Falcor, sign the box. Inside, the wooden case slips right in there. We have a lot more details. There is another video coming out about how we designed this box, but I just wanted to kind of capture this point in time as we're shipping this pen and show you guys. And then I wrote a nice little letter on the back with basically a lot of the information I've just told you guys. Yeah. So it's exciting. It's super exciting because the pens are ready. They're selling. We sold a couple the other day, and we've got a lot more to sell. We've got more to bring to Blade Show 2019. And as I said, this is going to be a staple product for us, and we're thrilled. We're thrilled. So thank you guys for all your support. Thank you, T. Baker, for the awesome comment, and the 500 other people. And stay tuned for a lot more. Thanks, guys. Bye.